This fully furnished and modernised mansion is for sale. Located in Buckinghamshire, England, it offers 12 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. This Grade 1 listed mansion, built between 1688 and 1701, is set within approximately 43 acres of historic parkland. The main house extends to around 28,525 square feet, with grand reception rooms, high ceilings and restored period detailing, following an extensive 8-year renovation. The asking price of this magnificent mansion is £45 million. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.